First one, what is cross browser testing? Theory also important, interview point of view. What is, not only interview, if you need to do practical properly, theory also important. What is cross browser testing? Sean, answer this question. What is cross browser testing? Then I will give my own words. You give your own words.
Yes, sir. It's testing the web application in different browsers.
Using different browsers, same test cases, but using different browsers. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Cool. Cross browser testing is a type of test type. We have primarily two test types: functional testing, non-functional testing. It comes under Ravinder. Cross browser testing, okay, forget about the functionality. Functional, first we test individual test cases. Cross browser testing, is it functional testing or a non-functional test type?
I think it's functional only, sir.
Functional only?
It is both, I think.
Okay, you check after the class. It's not only functional. We are checking browser compatibility testing now.
Yeah.
First we executed test case using any popular browser, executed. Then we are going to execute with all browsers with same test case. That is checking browser compatibility or functionality prime.
Yeah, compatibility first. Yes.
Functionality we already checked. Example. Okay. Anyhow, you check that one. Anyhow, cross browser testing is test type. Observe. 6 or 7 important terms are there in software testing. One is SDLC models. It is not only for testers, it is primary for developers. But software testing also part of software development life cycle. Software testing is part of software development life cycle. That's why we need to familiar with software development life cycle models. First important term in our software testing, SDLC models. Next, test levels. We are independent testers. We conduct system testing only, but we need to familiar with other types: unit testing, integration testing, system testing, and acceptance testing. These 4 are the levels of testing. User acceptance testing, subset of acceptance testing. Okay. Okay na? Okay na, Amita, any queries? SDLC models, sequential models, iterative models. For example, sequential models, waterfall model, V model, iterative models, agile models, next spiral model, etc. SDLC models. Next, test levels. What are the test levels? Sumitra, tell me. List out the 4 test levels and what is our area? Ahalya, continue. Sumitra not responding. Ahalya.
Unit testing,
unit testing. Next.
Integration testing.
Next.
Function testing. Functional
testing is test type, not test level.
Okay, sir. System testing.
System testing. Next.
User acceptance testing.
User acceptance testing. Just a minute, I will provide small notes, 2-3 minutes. Observe. SDLC, software development life cycle models. Here so many models available in the industry, but we can segregate them into 2 or 3 categories: sequential models, incremental models, iterative models, etc. Say waterfall, traditional model, waterfall model. Next, the famous V-shape model, V model. Next, spiral model. Next, agile, not single model. So many methodologies are there. Agile Scrum, Agile Extreme Programming, XP, etc. So Agile models, etc. This is SDLC models. Next, test levels, levels of testing. See, unit, or you can say component testing, but unit testing is widely using term. Next, integration testing. Next, system testing. Next, acceptance testing. Say, some are saying just user acceptance testing. No, acceptance testing is the level. In acceptance testing, we conduct different types of acceptance. One is primary thing is user acceptance testing, subsets of acceptance testing. Next, operational testing. Next, certification testing. Okay, that is different case, manual testing. As independent testers, we conduct system testing on integrated system. Usually, developers conduct unit testing using white box test design techniques. End user or user representatives conduct acceptance testing. Independent testers, like you people, conduct system testing. For integration testing, depends on companies. Some companies use developers, some companies use developers and testers. That depends on company. But unit testing, fixed developers. System testing, independent testers. Nowadays, acceptance testing, users or user representatives. Okay, na Sean?
Yes, sir. And system integrate. There is also a test.
Just a minute. These are common. These are common levels for software applications. If it is distributed application, suppose software application is independent application, no functionality dependency or no business integration, these 4 levels enough. Suppose ours is distributed application, for example, internet banking application related with core banking application, ATM banking application, credit card management application, for example. For that, 5 levels of testing is there. What are the 5 levels? Unit or component testing. Next, component integration testing. 2 levels. Before system testing, component integration testing, then system testing, then system integration testing. Systems integration, integrating internet application, core banking, ATM, next credit card management, extra. System integration testing, at the end, acceptance testing. Any queries, Sean?
No, sir. I'm clear. And just one thing I wanted to clear, like in the V model, usually we conduct
just
testing.
a minute. Don't ask questions here. It is out of your syllabus. Diversion every time.
No, sir. I'm not asking question. I'm just clearing.
In our Selenium, no V model concept, isn't it? Okay, ask me.
It's not.
Okay, ask me.
Sir, I just wanted to clear one confusion that in V model we conduct testing and development at the same time, right? Just I want to clear this.
See, in V model we have levels to parallel levels to development phases.
Okay, sir.
Multiple levels of testing, but
Okay, sir.
but not independent testers conduct all levels. Okay, unit test,
Okay, sir.
developers only conduct, acceptance test, end users only conduct, but all levels of testing can be integrated with all development phases in V model.
Okay, sir.
Any Amita?
No, sir, I am good, sir.
Now continue, Sumitra. Test levels. We have 2 primary test levels, and as per industry standards, 4 levels of testing and sub levels also there. Just try to identify the 2 core test levels? Sumitra. You need to familiar
I'm
with
not.
these 6 or 7 terms. This is core and LKG subject to software testers. Okay, cool.
Functional or non-functional, sir?
Good. Good.
Sir, but those are
Functional.
types, right?
Yes. Functional is one type, main type.
But you said test levels.
Sorry, test types. Okay, it's my mistake. Types, levels already over.
Yeah.
Levels already over. Okay, it's my mistake. Functional testing is one of the type of testing. Functional
Sir, one
testing.
question, sorry. That models we can also call methodologies, am I right, sir?
Yes,
Just asking.
yes. Some people or some companies or some organizations calling agile methodology or agile model.
Yeah.
No issue.
Okay.
But widely
Just want to
using
clarify
term
that.
is model.
Yes. Okay.
Widely using term is public term is a model, but you can use methodology. Suppose agile development model or agile development methodology. Functional testing.
Oh.
Okay, cool. Non-functional testing. Actually, these two are important test types in software testing. But as per industry standards, 2 more are there. Can you list out Sean?
Yes, sir.
2 more are there.
Sorry, sir, what was?
As per in ISTQB syllabus, certification exam syllabus also you can find that one. That is confirmation testing, change related testing. Actually, our Selenium supports functional and regression testing, but as per certification exam, that is not ISTQB. They derived from international standards, ISO, BS, British standards, IEEE and CMM integration only. Regression testing. It is also one of the one of the type. But core types are functional testing and non-functional only. Our Selenium supports functional and regression testing. We can execute same tests multiple times in Selenium.
Yes, sir.
Not only Selenium. UFT, formerly QTP title also same. UFT is a functional and regression test tool. Load runner, performance test tool. Okay. ALM, application lifecycle management, test management tool. Okay. Next, one more thing. Can you continue, Ravinder? Regression testing, functional testing, non-functional testing, regression testing.
Confirmation testing.
Confirmation, synonym of regression.
Sir, UAT?
No, sir. No. It's
Structural testing. Structural testing. Generally, white box techniques. Structural testing. Say, you no need to remember all these things, but just know the concept. Primary is functional testing and non-functional testing. Generally, independent testers, we don't conduct structural testing and we mix regression testing with functional testing in test automation. So you just remember functional and non-functional testing. Okay, structural testing, regression or confirmation testing also types of testing. Okay, now Sumitra, any confusion?
No, sir, I'm good.
Okay, cool. Next, Sean, test design techniques.
So white box and black box test design
Yes.
techniques.
We have 3 types of design techniques. 3 types. White box test design techniques. Next, our area, black box test design techniques. Next, one more thing that can be used for both.
Gray box, sir?
Gray, no. Gray is a combination of white and black box techniques. That is not separate type, isn't it? Who is telling?
Sir, me, Amita.
Amita, gray box testing is not separate technique. That is
Okay.
combination of white and black. White is
Yes,
separate, black is different, but gray is combination of white and black, so it is not separate. Next, any idea, Shiva Priya or Supriya?
Sorry, sir, what was the question?
We have 3 test design techniques, 3 types, not 3. 3 types
Gray
of
box?
test design techniques. One is white box, another is black box, and third one is
Gray box.
gray box. I already rejected. Amita told I rejected. Gray box is not the separate type. It is combination of white and black box techniques. Ravinder, sometimes we conduct ad hoc and exploratory testing due to less time or less documentation or some other reasons. There we use
Sir,
those techniques.
Experience testing tech.
Good. Experience based. Official. Experience.
Yeah.
Experience based techniques. Experience based techniques. Leave it. Observe, Amita. Just I will give 1 or 2 examples, but out of our syllabus. White box test design techniques, statement testing, decision testing. Generally, developers conduct statement testing, decision testing, condition testing, etc. Black box test design techniques. Ahalya, I think all of you familiar with black box. Why? That is our area. Black box test design techniques. Shan,
Tester conduct, sir.
tester conduct what is? Give some examples. I gave examples for white box testing, statement testing, decision testing, condition testing, multi-condition testing, etc. Give some examples for black box.
Equivalence partitioning.
Pardon?
Equivalence partitioning.
Yes. Ahalya, requirement testing is different. Don't mix. Observe. Equivalent classes are equivalent partitions. Next, extension of equivalent classes. BVA, boundary value analysis. Next, decision tables, decision table testing. Next, state transition testing. Next, use case testing, etc. But important 3, equivalent classes are partitions. Next, boundary value analysis. Next, decision table testings. State transition testing, rare use. Amita, any confusion?
No, sir. I'm good.
Experience based. Can you give 1 or 2 examples? Sumitra Ramanathan.
Yes, sir.
Experience based techniques.
So, yes, when we don't know how the
That is the reason
product
you are
works,
telling.
we can't.
You are telling when we conduct experience based techniques. But I am asking, give some examples for experience based techniques. I am not asking when you conduct experience based. Okay. I think all of you familiar with this technique, but you are not recollecting. Error guessing, next exploratory testing, etc. Okay na, Sumitra? Error guessing, exploratory testing. Okay na? Hello? What
Yes,
about
sir.
you?
I
Okay. See, SDLC models, one term, test levels, test types, test design techniques. Next, test process. important one. Test process, but mass term is actual official term is software test process, but mass term is test life cycle, STLC. Actually, it is not official term, but most of the people using this term. Software development life cycle official, but testing life cycle local. Life cycle. STLC. Here, Ravinder, we have 5 according to industry standards. Some companies may not follow formal process, leave them, but according to industry standards, ISO, IEEE, and you can find that syllabus in ISTQB foundation level exam. According to industry standards, we have 5 levels of testing, but some companies may not follow formal process. Can you give the 5 levels of testing? Just give short names.
But levels we already discussed, not the same thing, right?
What is this one? Test process
Test
levels.
planning, sir.
Just a
Test
minute.
planning,
Okay,
sir.
test planning, sir. Yeah.
Just a minute. Test process levels, or you can say phases.
Phases. Yeah. Test planning,
Test
design.
planning. Okay, Ahalya. Test planning and analysis is the full name. You can just use test planning enough. Next, test
Design, sir.
design. Test design.
Execution.
Next, test. Okay, Ahalya. Test execution. Say, in this test design, we derive test scenarios, we document test cases, and we collect test data. In test execution, we have some levels of testing, levels of test execution. Don't confuse. Test levels different, test execution levels different. What are the test execution levels? First, initial smoke testing, an initial build. Next, after confirmation, comprehensive testing, means complete testing. Next, on modified build, sanity testing. Next, regression testing cycle 1, regression testing cycle 2. Like that, depends on application complexity and strength of development team. Next, at the end, final regression. Okay. Next, continue, Ravinder.
Test closure, sir.
Before test closure, according to industry standards, one more level also there.
Log defects, sir. Defect.
That's part of test execution. Okay. Evaluating exit criteria. But some companies use this evaluating exit criteria, mix this evaluating exit criteria in test closure or test execution level, 3rd or 5th level. But this is also one of the level.
If there is exit criteria, we should have entry criteria as well to see whether we are ready to start testing.
Observe, Sean, I am not getting your voice. Your voice is very low.
Okay, sir.
Increase.
Yes, sir. Okay, here if you are saying exit criteria to decide whether we should get out of the testing phase,
Yes.
there should be an entry criteria as well, whether we should start testing or not.
Okay, but as per we cannot argue them. As per international standards, no entry criteria level. Actually, exit criteria, entry criteria, suspension criteria, all are fields of test plan documentation, test plan document. But according to industry standards, evaluating the exit criteria is primary thing. They didn't mention exit criteria separately.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Closure. Okay, these we need to remember. Okay, observe, Amita. 5 terms. What are the 5 important terms, Amita?
Is test planning, Then test design.
Those are
Yes.
phases of software test process. 5
Yes. What did you ask, sir?
important terms in software testing.
That I don't know, sir.
5 important terms in software testing. Observe. SDLC models. SDLC. Next. Next.
Requirement.
Test levels. Test levels. I am not asking requirements gathering, etc. Important core terms. Core terms. SDLC. Next, test levels. Next, test types. Next, test design techniques. Next, test process or software test life cycle. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Come to mainstream. I think all of you familiar with what is cross-browser testing. Next, why cross-browser testing? Why? Why cross-browser testing? Say a web application can be opened in any web browser by the end user. We cannot restrict end users for public internet applications. Okay, if it is private application, we can restrict organization people, but most of the applications are public applications now. Suppose ICICIbank.com, that is public application. Anybody can launch that application. Account holders can get facilities or services. Without account, you can get bank information, ATMs locations, and branch locators, etc. Okay. A web application can be opened in any web browser by the end user. So we need to ensure that the web application will work as expected in all popular browsers. Okay, na, Sean?
Yes, sir.
See, a web application, small theory, a web application can be opened in any web browser, any popular web browser, by the end user, So we need to ensure that the web application will work as expected in all popular browsers. So we need to ensure that the web application will work as expected in all popular browsers. Okay. Next, Ravindra, we have 3 popular browsers in the IT industry. Remaining are less limited use, but 3 popular browsers. Just mention, see, popular browsers. In the IT industry nowadays.
Firefox, sir. Google Chrome.
Just a minute. Here 2 concerns are there, observe Ravindra. One is server side. Generally companies use server side. End users, user side only. Server side market share, Internet Explorer. Next, Mozilla, Chrome, almost all equivalent share. But client side, usually we use client side. In server testing, we use server side testing. We use server side server side OS. But for client side, we use client side OS only. Client side, Google Chrome having highest market share. But server side, Internet Explorer, Mozilla, Google Chrome, all are having almost all equivalent. But IE only some domination. Google Chrome, client side. Google Chrome, first place. Second place,
Firefox.
Firefox. See, Google is vendor, Chrome is browser name. Mozilla is vendor, Mozilla Foundation. Mozilla, Firefox is browser name. Firefox. Next, third one,
IE.
Microsoft. Microsoft vendor. IE, nowadays new name. In Windows 10, you can find that term, new name, Sean. What is the Internet Explorer new name?
I don't know, sir.
Amita, new name of Internet Explorer?
No idea, sir.
Ravinder?
Same, sir. No idea.
Microsoft Edge is there, na?
It's okay.
Microsoft Edge.
Oh, yeah.
Edge. It is same like IE only, but in operating environment Windows 10, they used this term Microsoft Edge. Yeah, instead of Internet Explorer. Okay. In these three, which one is oldest? Internet Explorer.
IE,
Yeah,
sir.
IE, sir.
It was launched. It was
Somewhere in
launched
90s, sir.
in 1995. Almost all Java age. Its client side, just understanding purpose, client side, not server side. Market share is nearly nowadays client side 6.5%. 6.5%. Next, Firefox middle. It was launched. It was launched in 2004. It was launched in 2004. Almost all Selenium age. Its market share. Its market share approximately just a minute, 67%. Clients, sorry, this is Chrome. Its markets approximately 19%. 19%. Next, just a minute. Google Chrome, Ravinder, recently launched, not recently, okay.
2008, sir.
2008, its market share nearly 67%. Next, Safari, Opera also there, but limited use. Okay, na? Ahalya, popular browsers. Okay, Ahalya. Say in our software testing also, if you use any tool, not only Selenium, if you use any tool, functional test tool, you try, if you want to conduct cross-browser testing or browser compatibility testing, you try to use these three, but remaining optional, all popular browsers. Sean.
Yes, sir.
Working with multiple browsers. Working with multiple multiple browsers. Fourth concept, I think. Here, consider some factors working with multiple browsers using Selenium. Anyhow, Selenium IDE doesn't support. WebDriver working with multiple browsers. Here I am going to consider some factors. Sean, continue Sean. Element locators.
Yes, sir. Element locators are the same for all browsers.
Yes, element locators same for all browsers. And one more thing, how to inspect elements?
So in Mozilla Firefox,
In Mozilla Firefox, page inspector feature is there. In Google Chrome and IE, developer tools F12 feature is there. Otherwise, in Google Chrome, you can use Firebug, Firepath plugins freeware na.
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, same for or common for all browsers. All browsers. Continue, Sean. Next, WebDriver. We are using Selenium WebDriver. WebDriver application interface. Optional. Application programming interface. Commands. See, Selenium HQ used this term command in their documentation, but you can use method also. Why? We are calling on objects, methods. What about WebDriver methods?
So it's also same for all browsers.
Is it vary from one browser to another or same?
So it's also same for all browsers.
Same for all browsers. Same for all browsers. Next, third one. Programming features. You can choose either Java or Perl, Python, Ruby. Suppose I selected Java or Perl. Anyone. Suppose I don't select Mozilla, Java for Mozilla, Perl for Python. Suppose if I select Java for my project, then I will use Java only for all browsers. Okay. Features. Same for all browsers or we use different programming features?
Same, sir.
Same. Okay. Next, JUnit or latest one, test next generation. NG stands for next generation. TestNG, these are testing frameworks. Sean.
So it should be also same for all
Not
the
same.
browsers.
Not same. Say, purpose
That's why I
of
said should be.
testing frameworks may be same. Observe, Sean. Purpose of testing frameworks may be same. Suppose JUnit annotations, syntax may vary. TestNG, JUnit, these both the testing frameworks purpose same or common, but framework depends on operating environment. See, depends on programming environment, not operating environment. Programming.
Sir, but browser point of view, it's
No.
same, right?
Browser
Sir?
point of view common.
Okay.
Browser point of view common. Operating system point of view common. But programming environment point of view different. Observe, Ravinder, good question. Browser point of view same. Suppose I selected Java and TestNG. If I use Mozilla, Chrome, IE, some other browsers, but TestNG common, annotations common, purpose common. Getting? But
Yes, sir.
the selection is depends on programming environment. I will provide that list after the class. Just try to understand the concept. If we select Java programming environment, then supported frameworks are JUnit or TestNG. If we select .NET, then compatible framework is NUnit. It is equivalent to TestNG. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Suppose if you select .NET, then TestNG won't support. TestNG Java compatible. JUnit Java compatible. Suppose if you select C# for programming in Selenium WebDriver, that time you need to select NUnit testing framework instead of TestNG, but features same. Amita, did you understand this concept?
Sir, can you mention in the bracket it's same for browsers? Maybe we don't get confused.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Testing frameworks are anyone are same for all browsers. Next, operating systems. Suppose our AUT on Windows 7 or Windows 10 or Unix or Macintosh. Operating systems. Testing frameworks are same for all browsers and operating systems. Okay, na Ravinder? Any query?
No, sir, I'm fine. Thanks.
Cool. Next, one small note. Observation note. Here varying thing, what is, okay, forget about testing framework. Testing framework only depends on programming platform. If it is Java, JUnit or TestNG. If it is .NET, NUnit. If it is Perl, another frameworks are there. I will provide that list. But you can remember JUnit or TestNG with Java, NUnit with .NET. Okay, element locators anyhow common. WebDriver methods common. Programming features common. What is the varying thing? Tell me, Sean.
Sir, I think the browser driver.
Good. Browser driver. Say varies. Browser drivers varies from one browser to another. This is. Next, one more note. Note 2. Observe Amita.
Yes, sir.
In Selenium 2, what is the default browser?
There is no default browser in
In Selenium 2,
sorry,
default
sir.
browser is there.
Mozilla Firefox. I was confused with
Okay,
Selenium 3,
cool.
sir. That's why.
In Selenium 2, Mozilla Firefox. Firefox is the default browser. We no need to instantiate browser driver, just create browser instance or browser driver. But for Chrome and IE, etc. browsers, for Chrome, IE, etc. browsers, these are not default browsers. What we need to do?
We need to instantiate driver.
There are libraries. There are libraries that need to be that need to be instantiated externally. Just a minute. Need to be instantiated externally. Okay. Next, note 3, Sean. In Selenium 3 or 3 plus, 2 or 2 plus.
All three browsers needs to be.
Yes, all browsers. All the browsers. All the browser libraries. Just a minute. Need to be instantiated externally. Okay, now Ravinder, these 2 points, these 3 notes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I think all of you familiar with these 4 concepts. Next, you know how to inspect elements. Next, I will provide the syntax. In this previous version, in latest version Selenium 3, we need to instantiate Firefox browser also. For that we use Gecko driver, WebDriver.Gecko driver.driver, etc. Okay, in this version, Mozilla first. Mozilla Firefox. Just a minute. Instantiate and create. Instantiate and create. And create browser instance. This is the concept. Instantiate ask me, don't send messages. Reading takes more time. Ask me, Ahalya. What is the problem?
Sir, I think she is asking. Firefox has launched. Recently launched that new developer. Still, we can use Firebug and Firepath. I think yes.
Yes. See. Okay, Ahalya. Say if it is Selenium 2 or Selenium 3, you can use Firebug and Firepath plugins. No issue. You can use. Okay, Ahalya. Mozilla Firefox. Continue, Ravinder. For Mozilla Firefox, okay, Ahalya. For Mozilla Firefox, no instantiation in this
old version, sir.
In this old version. No instantiate in this old version. Then how to create that one? Create means create driver or instance.
So WebDriver?
See. WebDriver.
Driver name?
Good. Driver object name.
Equal to new. Yeah. Equal to new
keyword. Next.
Firefox driver.
Yes. Firefox driver. Open and close parenthesis. Semicolon. Here one small note. For every test case, we need to import WebDriver. We no need to launch. We no need to set path for a driver executable file, but we need to import WebDriver libraries and Firefox browser libraries. Driver different, browser compatibility different here in this scenario. Where Selenium bindings are there na? Observe. Chrome, Firefox. Observe, Ravinder. We are downloading from Selenium bindings na?
Yes, sir.
See, Firefox, Chrome, WebDriver also, BY also, next IE also, all. Okay. Next, second one, continue, Sean. Google Chrome. Google Chrome. First, instantiate. Then,
Yes, sir.
create instance.
System.set property.
System dot set property
WebDriver. Inverted commas.
Off means open bracket, open
Yes, sir.
double quotes.
WebDriver.
Just a minute. WebDriver dot
Chrome.
Dot driver within double quotes, comma. Next value, path.
Path of the, yes, sir.
Path of the
Chrome driver.
Chrome browser driver. Okay na?
Yes, sir.
Next, instantiate, same.
Not instantiate, sir.
That one. Create instance.
Yes, sir.
Create instance. Instantiation over. Create instance. Same.
WebDriver.
Just a minute. WebDriver, driver object name, new
Chrome driver.
Chrome driver. Next, third one. You leave Sean. Sumitra, IE.
Yes, sir.
Internet Explorer. First instantiate the browser driver, then create the browser driver or instance.
So we had to say set system.set property.
System.set property of
WebDriver dot
good WebDriver dot IE dot driver
and comma.
Close the double quotes and comma. Next, same path of the IE driver.
Browser.
IE driver, not Chrome. Path of the Internet Explorer. Just a minute. Internet Explorer browser driver. Next, create object or instance.
WebDriver.
WebDriver. Next, same driver object name. Driver object.
To new.
New keyword. Next,
IE.
not IE, internet.
Internet Explorer.
Internet Explorer driver open and close parenthesis semicolon. Okay. Okay, now Ravindra, I think all of you familiar with how to create browser instance. Sean?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm going to give one small example for cross-browser testing. Concentrate. And today I will give one assignment also. Tomorrow we will discuss that assignment. Previous assignments I will allot the class. Create a test case. I will use simple test case. You can use complex test cases also. No issue. But here our concept is explaining compatibility testing, not test case. That's why I'm going to use simple test case. Create a test case. Guide me. Halya disabled. Guide me. Shivapriya. Shivapriya or Supriya there na?
Yes, sir.
Guide me. Try to understand my requirement. Create a test case and execute the test case. Execute the test case using all popular browsers. This is my requirement. I will give test case also, manual steps. Observe. Test case name, verify, launch application. Application launching. Verify, launch application. For example, here I am taking Google application. Google. Next, test steps. Observe Shivapriya. First one, launch. Launch the browser, any browser. Next, navigate. If you launch browser, blank URL only, then navigate to Google homepage. Google homepage. I think it is google.com. Okay. In India, if you type google.com also, it redirect to google.co.in, India server. If it is Australia, AU server, Pakistan, PK server, Canada, CA server, but global is .com. .com not only for USA, it is for global. Okay. Navigate to this one. Next, I will show the manual steps. Verification point. Capture the page title after launching. Capture the page title. This is considered as actual, and compare with expected. Next, expected. How to get expected I will show. Google, G capital, all of you put mute except Shivapriya. Google. Next, input data for this test case, input data not applicable. Input data not applicable. Next, result. Result after execution, pass or fail. Okay, it is after execution only, just I am writing pass or fail. Okay, manual test case. Next, Selenium. Selenium test case for Mozilla Firefox browser driver only different, remaining all are same. Firefox browser. Just a minute, Shivpriya. This is one. Next, 2, 3. See, Selenium test case for Chrome browser, Google Chrome. Next, Selenium test case for Internet Explorer browser. Okay, fulfill these requirements. Enough. First observe, Shivpriya, I will show that manual navigation. First launch browser, then navigate to google.com. Suppose www. See, in my browser, default browser, I set that one only, but it launches blank browser, then google.com. Then capture page title. Shivpriya, observe left side top. Observe the tooltip. What is the tooltip?
Google.
Google. That is page title, na?
Yes, sir.
Just a minute. Just a minute. Observe that one. What is the page title?
Yahoo.
Yahoo. But this is not correct method. Just a minute. This is not correct method. You can get using page source. Page source. Place mouse pointer on the page and right click. Select view page source. Here use Control F. Just write title. Type title. Observe Sean. What is the title value?
Google.
Google. Otherwise, using tooltip, you can observe the page. Otherwise, you can get that names using, you can collect that names, page names from development team, but you can get, okay. Now Selenium test case. Just a minute. Did we copy this one? First one? Batch testing over. I'm taking new test case. Guide me, Shivpriya. New, just a minute. New class, suppose verify page. Verify page. Simple test case, you can use complex test case also. Guide me, Shivpriya. You know the test requirement and first browser Mozilla. It is new test case.
I think Shivapriya is not here today.
Pardon?
Shivapriya is not here, sir.
Supriya.
This is Supriya.
I think you are Supriya.
Yes, sir.
Continue, Supriya. You can guide me, no problem.
Yeah. WebDriver.
WebDriver. Firefox na directly. WebDriver.
Driver equal to.
Driver. This is standard name. You can use ABCD also, but use driver. New
Firefox driver.
Firefox driver, open and close parenthesis, semicolon. First import WebDriver library, next Firefox library. I think spell mistake.
Yes, sir. These cap.
Change to Firefox driver. At the same time it imported. Otherwise you just remove, it will again ask.
Then navigate to Google.
Okay. Then navigate. This is, it will launch blank browser. It will launch browser with blank URL. Next.
Driver.get.
Driver.get. Sorry.
Open parenthesis.
Driver dot type G, select get, open and close double quotes. Just a minute. Take that URL. HTTPS secured. Next, you try to execute this partial code. Try to execute this partial code. Okay, executing properly. Continue, Shipriya.
Then string.
Capture the URL. Capture the page title.
Yes.
String. Suppose
Page title.
Page title. You can use any meaningful name.
Equal to driver dot.
Driver.
Get page.
Driver dot get page. Get title.
Get title method.
Just get the title method. Next, write condition if
condition if page title dot equals
page title. Just a minute. Page title dot type E, use equals
that Google tab.
Google, open curly braces.
Curly brace.
Next, write meaningful message. SYSO control space enter. Any meaningful message. Google application launched passed. Google application launched passed. Next, else part. Else,
open curly brace.
Open and close curly braces. Enter meaningful message.
System.out.println.
Just a minute. Application not launched. This is failed scenario. Not launched. Failed. Next, after this condition, driver dot close. Driver dot close. Okay, na, Shipriya, shall we run this test script?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, run. Just a minute. Launching. What is the output? Browser closed. What is the output, Supriya?
It's passed, sir.
Application launched passed. Okay. This is for which? Mozilla Firefox. Mozilla Firefox. Just a minute. Test the case for this one. Mozilla Firefox. Next, guide me, Supriya. Google Chrome. Chrome this time. Google Chrome. WebDriver driver. Chrome driver.
First,
import Chrome driver library. Firefox import statement you can remove. Any other changes? Instantiation required na?
Yes, yes, sir.
Yes.
System dot set property.
System dot set property of WebDriver dot Chrome
dot driver. Then close the double quotes.
Next, in the value in my machine stored on E drive. That name is Chrome driver dot exe, executable file. Okay na?
Yes,
Semicolon. Run the test case. Chrome driver launching. Say forget about that red color text. That is details. Starting Chrome driver. Google application launched. Passed na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Chrome driver over. Next, Amita. You complete the Internet Explorer. For
Okay,
Edge also you can use same instantiation. Complete the Internet Explorer, Amita.
System dot set property.
System dot set property, okay.
WebDriver dot IE drive.
.ie dot driver. Just a minute. What is the driver name? I forgot. I think IE driver server. Okay na?
Yes, sir.
IE driver server. Okay. E drive only. IE driver server. Next, change the driver name.
Internet Explorer driver.
Internet Explorer driver. Import the library. Importing. Now it has to remove the Chrome import. Okay. Now it has to launch IE
in IE
and execute this test case. Run the test case. See IE launching. Closed. Observe Sean. Did you observe Sean? Sean.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I observe.
See, it is providing details also. Started Internet Explorer driver server. Test case passed. Okay. The same test case, I will provide some specs. You need to provide the logic. Ravindra, try to coordinate Ravindra. What we did in this example, Ravindra, we created one test case and executed using
with multiple
browsers one by one na?
Yes, sir.
One by one. For every browser we changed the browser instance creation as well as instantiation step na?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Same test case, I will provide specs so you need to fulfill. Take as assignment. Okay. 10 to 11 minutes I will explain. Then you can continue that one. Observe. What is that one? 5, 7, 6. Just a minute. 6, 1. See, this time, every time we changed. 3 scripts we prepared. Same script, but we changed. I am going to enhancing my requirement. Observe Ravinder. Create a test case. Same test case. Create a test case. Create a test case and execute the test case using Firefox Okay, all popular browsers I am writing. Firefox, Chrome, and Internet Explorer browsers continuously, no changes. Single script. Observe Ravindra. Earlier we prepared 3 scripts, but 95% common steps only. But browser driver we changed. But in this script, no changes. Getting?
Yes, sir.
Only one script for all browsers. See, execute continuously. Continuously means one by one only, but single script. Okay, now
Okay.
observe here how many iterations? Just identify the iterations. Forget
3,
about
sir.
test data. Test data, no test data for this script. How many iterations? Iterations
sir,
means
3.
cycle of execution.
3, sir.
3. Multiple iterations, na?
Yeah.
Actually, it is not general testing, na? Multiple
So do
iterations
we need to
means
use for loop for that?
just a minute. We can use multiple iterations, na? But for multiple iterations, we usually we use data-driven testing, na?
Yes, sir.
For small amount of iterations, suppose 3 iterations or 4 iterations, not 100, 500, 1000, we can use loop structure instead of data-driven testing, instead of test data file. Getting?
Yes, sir.
Say, observe. For multiple iterations, data-driven testing is required. But for small amount of iterations, example 3 iterations or 4 iterations, you can use loop structure without using test data file as a resource or data driven testing feature. But it is not recommendable for large amount of iterations. Suppose I need to conduct 500 iterations, 700 iterations. It is not suitable. Why? Script will be lengthy. Okay. Here hint, using observation and Amita also use for loop. Otherwise you can use other loop, but here we know iterations number. If you know the record count, for loop is very flexible. Use for loop and else if structure. Else if structure. This is my hint. Okay, na?
Okay.
Just a minute. Test case same. Already we have the test case. Already we have. Next, you prepare this one. Just a minute. Before main method. Okay. Observation. Create, declare WebDriver, Ravindra.
Public.
Public for, it can be used everywhere in this computer. From another class in another package, another class in another package in another project. Okay. Otherwise, public is optional. Public static web.
For all the for loops, for all the loops, we need to declare that WebDriver before main method.
Not all the loops. For multiple iterations.
Yes, one loop, multiple iterations.
Say
Okay.
that here
Okay.
loop is not the primary. Multiple iterations primary. If you want to use multiple iterations, then declare WebDriver. If you want to use single iteration, one time enough. Observe in test batch testing also we used this syntax. Why? In the test batch we executed 3 test cases, na?
Yes, sir.
If you want to conduct multiple iterations, then declare it. Otherwise not required.
Okay, got it.
WebDriver,
Driver.
semicolon. Somebody system making noise, put mute. I think Priya or something, put mute. For browser also, we need 3 iterations na. Browser iterations, 3 different browsers na.
Yeah.
For browser also, you declare one integer variable. Suppose public
static.
It is optional. And browser. Browser is the name of the variable. Browser. No value, just define. Next, browser name. It is optional, purely optional, but understanding point of view. Public static. What type data? String.
So browser always is int, right?
Yes, we need to perform 3 iterations using condition na.
Yeah.
If browser equal to 1, then launch this one Firefox. Browser equal to 2, launch Chrome, like that. Otherwise, if it is not integer, we cannot use that one. Which one? Condition.
Okay, sir. Yeah. If else. Got it.
Just a minute. Okay, browser name, 3 variables. If required, you can declare some more variables later. Leave them. Now start the condition, Ravindra.
Before that, we need for loop, right, sir?
For loop. After the main method, loop. Why I am using for loop? I know the record count. 3 iterations. Record count is 3. So for loop flexible. While not required.
So if you are browser
equals to single equal to or double equal to operator.
Single, sir.
Single.
Equal to 1.
Semicolon.
Browser.
Total 3 browsers na.
Yeah.
Browser less than or equal to 3. Semicolon.
Browser plus.
Good. Browser plus. Try to follow Mr. Which one? Sean. Any confusion, Sean?
No, sir.
Where we need to put this curly braces, closing curly, after test case execution only na?
Yes, sir. End. Yeah.
End means after driver dot close or before driver dot close?
Driver dot close, sir. Because we are using different
Before, sir. Before driver close.
Before driver close. Why?
Right.
For every iteration you can launch browser na?
Yeah, every time we launching new browser.
Okay,
so
try.
I think
Just try. No instance.
Sir, after driver.
Okay, we will check that one. Okay, for loop. Within for loop test case is there.
now
Next,
we can
continue.
Put condition. Yeah, if
else if structure. First if within for.
within for yes.
If
browser equal to
single equal to or double equal to?
I think it's double, sir, now.
Double.
Okay.
Equal to
1.
Good. Close. Open curly braces.
Open curly braces.
Close.
Driver dot. Sorry, driver is equal to
driver. Just driver equals to
new keyword Firefox driver.
New Firefox driver. Open and close curly braces. Parenthesis, and download this one. Download. Next, browser name optional. I told na.
Browser name.
Browser name one variable also there. Just for understanding. Otherwise optional. I will show in test case result. Browser name equal to which one? This one. Browser name equal to all of you put mute. Firefox browser.
Okay, so this one is optional, sir.
Purely optional.
Okay, so if maybe it's understanding point. Like
Understanding point.
which one
In
is
test
opening?
case we will mention this one. Test case output. Okay,
Okay.
first if over na. First
Then
if over.
next is
Next.
else if,
Next
because we are
else
using
if.
two more.
Two more conditions also there. That's why I'm writing else if.
Else if
Else if
browser equal to 2,
browser double equal to 2. Open curly braces.
I think now we need to instantiate that Firefox, sir, because we are opening new one.
Why it is showing else if? Just
There's a
Spelling mistake, sir.
okay, cool.
ELSE. Yeah.
ELSE. Now instantiate Chrome browser. Just a minute. We
System
have that
dot?
step. We have that step. Just a minute. No, in this only na. This one. Cut this one. First Mozilla Firefox na. Just create browser.
Yes, sir.
Mozilla Firefox create browser. This time Chrome browser. Second.
So we can, yeah, we have to instance.
Chrome WebDriver dot Chrome. Next Chrome driver. Chrome driver. Okay na. Next launch. Same.
Driver is equal to, yeah.
Launch. Driver equal to new
Chrome driver.
Chrome driver open and close parenthesis semicolon. Import Chrome driver. Okay. Next browser name. It is optional. Already we discussed. Only understanding point of view. Google Chrome. Next, else if not mandatory na. Otherwise you can use. Other than above means else only. Otherwise you can use else if no issue. Else if condition.
Browser double equal to 3.
Browser double equal to 3. It is optional. Otherwise you can use else. Else means only one browser remaining. What is that one?
Instantiators.
Just a minute. You copy these 3 lines and modify. Just a minute. WebDriver dot IE. Next here IE driver server dot exe. Next
Internet Explorer driver.
Internet Explorer
driver.
Imported. Already imported. Next here change the name. It's optional. Microsoft
Internet browser.
Okay. IE browser. Okay na. We created 3 browsers using logic. Next, after this one, we need to launch that one na. We need to launch. You remove this one. You remove this WebDriver. Remove. After any one browser, depends on logic. First time Mozilla, second time Chrome, third time IE. Next common steps, driver.get google.com, okay. Next capture string, okay. Next condition, page title, okay. Driver.close, after driver.close, 3 curly braces. 39th line curly brace, for loop, 40th one main method, 41 class. Okay, here we already take that browser name na. You understanding point of view, take that one, browser name, concatenate. This browser name is variable, double quotes not required. Okay. Observe Shan, any changes or is it okay?
Sir, I think it's okay.
Okay. Try to run. Say it has to run verify page title test case using all 3 browsers. First Mozilla, then Chrome, then IE as per our logic. Observe Amita.
Yes, sir.
Observe. First launching Mozilla over. Next last one, this one. Observe Amita. Mozilla Firefox browser, Google application launched passed. Chrome browser, Google application launched passed. IE, Google application launched passed. Continuously executing now.
Yes, sir.
Just a minute here. I will give some gap. Now this time observe Sean.
Yes, sir.
First Mozilla Firefox over, next Chrome over, next IE over. Observe Sean output. First one Mozilla Firefox browser, message optional. Google application launched passed. Next Google Chrome browser, Google application launched passed. Next Microsoft IE browser, Google application launched passed. Okay na?
Yes, sir. So, sir, like in real life scenario, whenever we want to do the cross-browser testing, we have to write...
say actually it is not the correct way, but for small amount of iterations you can use loop. Instead of creating test data file and creating file reader object, buffered reader object, you can use this logic for loop and else if, or for loop with switch structure. I will give assignment later. For loop with switch structure also you can use this one. Observe Sean, good question. For small amount of iterations, suppose 3 iterations or 4 iterations, you can use this logic. No issue. For large amount of iterations, suppose if you want to conduct 100 iterations, 200 iterations, this logic is not recommendable. Getting?
Yes, sir. And is it better to write just one test case and do the testing for multiple browsers in just one test case?
Yes.
Or is it better to write like 3 separate test case and
3 separate test cases? Maintenance difficult na. Earlier I used na. I explained both.
Yes,
3 test cases versus single test case. Which one is easy to maintenance? Easy to maintain?
One test case.
One test case. So generally in companies we go for enhancements and we go for this one easy maintenance.
Okay.
Sometimes your project lead, team lead or project manager will lead. But if you want to take your own decision, you take this decision. For small amount of iterations, 3 or 4, use logic instead of data-driven testing. That is also complex. For large amount of iterations, data-driven testing is mandatory. Why? This logic is very lengthy for large amount of iterations. Anyhow, try to go for easy maintenance, not complex maintenance. Getting?
Yes, sir.
I'm going to close the today's session. Any queries? First, Ahalya in office. Okay. Okay, Ahalya. I got your message. Amita, I'm going to close the session. Any queries? Today we discussed two concepts: batch testing and cross-browser testing. Any queries?
No, sir. I'm good. Thank you.
Cool. Welcome. Next, Supriya.
I'm fine, sir. Thank you.
Welcome. Ravindra.
I'm good, sir. Thanks.
Welcome. Sean.
I'm good, sir. Thank you.
Welcome. Sumitra.
I got it, sir. Thank you.
Welcome. We will meet tomorrow, same time. Thank you.